What's up guys, it's the Alyssa Morrison back again for yet another video. I know you guys miss me. I know, I missed you guys too. Here we are, it's fall. It is that time of year where those of us who have dry skin, or even those of us with normal skin, things start to dry out a little, get a little flakier. We're not out in the sun all the time. We're not slathering in lotion because our skin is exposed. I am here to show you guys how to keep your skin glowing, luminous, healthy during the fall time. So without further ado, I'm going to talk about some of my favorite products, and then I will go ahead and show you guys how to make your very own pumpkin vanilla sugar scrub. I found this lotion on clearance at Target and it smells so warm and cozy, and I actually really like this brand. This is the Love Beauty and Planet. This is the Shea Butter and Sandlewood Shea Velvet Body Lotion, okay? The reason that I like this brand is it doesn't have silicones, dyes, parabens, and the bottle... Do I do that once in every video? Is that like a thing? Is that like my thing? The bottle is made of recycled plastic. So this smells really good, but I recommend finding a lotion that you love. Keeping your skin moisturized is going to be the #1 priority in having glowy skin. During the fall time, it's not so much about having that tan that looks like you just got back from the Bahamas. It's about having healthy looking skin. So by keeping your skin moisturized immediately after you get out of the shower or bath, that is gonna do the trick. So a little tip for you that I learned is as soon as you get out of the shower or the bath, your pores are open, your skin is all warm, you want to just pat dry with a towel. And I mean pat dry. You're not gonna rub your skin, you're not gonna be completely dry. You still wanna have like a small layer of water on your skin so that when you put your moisturizer on, the moisture will be locked in. Now, in a minute here, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the sugar scrub, and I recommend doing this after you've soaked in a warm bath, when you've soaked in a shower for a little bit, and just really getting that fresh layer of dead skin off. Wait, not the fresh layer. The layer of dead skin off so the fresh layer of skin pops up and says hello. Then you're gonna go in with your moisturizer and just coat it on. If you are going to be using self-tanner in the fall, I recommend switching to one that is not the darkest shade for your skin tone, one that's just going to even out your skin tone, maybe blur some imperfections. That's what I like to do in the fall. I usually will switch over to the St. Tropez, the classic tan. This one still might be pretty dark for some of you if you've never used self-tanner before, but my go-to self-tanner is so dark that this one is just like a light, subtle glow. I recommend exfoliating and shaving the day before you use your self-tanner. If you're not about self-tanning in the fall, that's totally fine. Just be sure that you're keeping up on your exfoliation and your moisturizing, and your skin will be... So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the sugar scrub recipe. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos from me, and catch you guys next time.
So here are the ingredients that I used for this sugar scrub, and I actually chose brown sugar just to give a little bit more of a gentle exfoliation, and you can substitute the avocado oil for any oil of your choice. I chose avocado oil specifically because it contains vitamin E that's excellent for moisturizing the skin. Then I added just a little bit of the vanilla essence, and vanilla essence actually contains antioxidants that aid in anti-aging, which is really beneficial for any skin type. It's never too early to start preventing aging. The pumpkin spice is optional, but I really like the added scent, and it just reminds me more of fall. I would definitely recommend doing a patch test before you use the scrub all over your body, just to ensure that you're not sensitive to any of the ingredients, or if you have sensitive skin, I would definitely recommend going with the brown sugar so you're not getting too rough of an exfoliation. So I am just combining the ingredients until I get the desired consistency, and in retrospect, this batch was a little bit more oily than I would have liked. I usually like a little bit of a thicker, you know, drier scrub, but you can just add ingredients until you get the exact consistency that you want. I will go ahead and list the measurements that I used in the down bar below. And here is me smelling it. I was really intrigued, so yeah. And that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.